Well, no going back now. Cut the stock exhaust pipe so I can put in a glass pack. That's turned the wrong way. It's supposed to go, yeah, like that, out the side of the car. Okay, I think that's where it's gonna go. Stock pipe to about there, glass pack, chrome tip, right below the rust hole. Let's clamp it on and hang it up. All right, muffler deleted. All the pipes that were rusted and holy. Don't look in there. Don't look in there. Oh yeah. Let's see how she sounds. Okay, cold start in the shop, loudest possible environment. Oh yeah. Oh, that sounds good.